Hey everybody, on the menu today will only be cake. We're going to make just the cake for German chocolate cake. This cake is so nice and soft, you're going to love it. So let's go on ahead and get into making this cake, y'all. We're going to put our sugar and egg whites in the bowl here, and we're just going to let the stand mixer whip them up. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can either do it by hand, or if you have a hand mixer, you can use that as well. Absolutely perfect. This is the way it should look. It should have soft peaks. So let's go on ahead and sit that to the side. Do not clean your bowl. Just go on ahead and add your butter in here. Now start adding in your sugar. Now add your sugar in slow and just let it go. Go. Let it get nice and fluffy. This is how it should look, you guys, once you get it nice and fluffy. That is so airy. It's going to make this cake with them egg whites like melt in your mouth. So now we're going to go ahead and add these eggs in here. Getting your wet ingredients together, make for sure that your coffee is hot and you add your chocolate bar, the German chocolate bar, into the coffee and mix it to where it dissolves. You can find that bar in the baker's aisle. Put your chocolate mixture into your milk mixture and just go ahead and whisk all that together. Now we're going to go ahead and add some vanilla extract in here. We're going to put our salt, baking soda, and baking powder into our flour mixture, and you can just mix that up together, because we're going to start with our flour and we're going to end with our flour. Now we're going to put our flour in. So just let that mix a little bit, and then you're going to add in your wet. And just a little bit of the wet, not all of it, you guys. Do it in intervals. And just continue on adding in your dry and your wet until you end with your dry. And do make for sure that you stop mixing and scrape down your bowl, and then just continue on. Now that you are done mixing it, you're going to go ahead and add those egg whites. This is the good part, y'all, because I'm telling you, this cake is absolutely going to melt in your mouth. And you can use this as cupcakes, mini cakes, however you may want to use this cake mix. You don't have to have it in a whole cake. And make for sure that you do fold them egg whites and not stir them. Okay, now that we are done with that part of it, we're going to go on ahead and we're going to start putting it in the pans. Now, I did butter my pans and I did put parchment paper at the bottom. And so now I'm just going to level all of these out, and I will be dropping all of these in the oven. This is a tiered cake, so we're just going to go ahead and get these done so I can do what I do. This is an absolute delicious cake. I hope you guys try this recipe and leave a comment, and please, if you can, subscribe. And don't forget, y'all tell y'all friends what your girl is doing on her channel, and how about y'all go back and give me a heart. Bye.